Continuing coverage tonight, the leader of the East Baton Rouge Metro Council is calling on the Louisiana Supreme Court for a new hearing after it allowed part of Baton Rouge to become St. George.
That's right. The state Supreme Court ruled in favor of St. George by 4-3 last week. NBC Local 33 Sudan Britton has more details on how he's fighting back. Sudan?
Renee Jacob, Metro Council Mayor Pro Tem Lamont Cole is calling for a new hearing after the Louisiana Supreme Court ruled in favor for the incorporation of St. George. Cole's attorney says several details were missing from the case: the correct layout for the St. George map and paying back East Baton Rouge Parish for past services. The leader of Baton Rouge Metro Council, Mayor Pro Tem Lamont Cole, is now asking the Louisiana Supreme Court for a new hearing. They plan to discuss missing pieces in the ruling made on Friday, which allowed part of Baton Rouge to become the city of St. George. Attorney Mary Pearson is representing Cole, who is the last one fighting the ruling since Mayor President Sharon Weston Broome was removed from the lawsuit.
Neglected to file a correct map of the St. George area, which is required. You can't have a city without a complete definition of the map. And the court is required to set the date of the incorporation, and they haven't done that.
His attorney also says some question the intentions and progression of the incorporating city.
And they relied on saying that Councilman Cole, who is specifically authorized by statute to file this lawsuit, and then they tried to, limit his authorities.
Meanwhile, the chairman and organizers for St. George say this is a long time coming.
The city of St. George will be a city that you are proud of.
While some are celebrating this milestone,
we're going to build a best-in-class, pace-setter community, a public-private partnership that you will be proud of.
Others have questions about the money East Baton Rouge Parish has lost.
They want to get all that money back, that tax money back that we've collected since 2019. They have failed to do that. They've also failed to say that they're going to pay us back.
The attorney for St. George, Andrew Merle, says all the facts are on the table.
Well, first of all, our taxes are lower. Our property tax revenue plus that sales tax revenue is what generates the budget and provides the services for the city of St. George. That number is estimated around $130 million.
But Pearson says she will continue this fight.
They think this case is over. It's not over until Friday week when we ask for a rehearing and specify the mistakes that the Supreme Court made.
Pearson says they plan to file the request for a rehearing before May 10th. In studio, Sudan Britton, NBC Local 33 News.
All right, Sudan, thank you for that report for us.